Ever gotten lost because someone actually directed you to turn left or turn right instead of moving north or south? In this lesson, we teach you on vague directions, and we are going to be breaking down on cardinal directions as well as bearings, so that you can actually navigate anywhere with or without a GPS. Let's dive in. By the way, if you are joining me on this channel for your very first time, I am Olangwatiba. I am a content creator based in education, most particularly geography, and to be more precise, I actually solve your problems in map work or map skills. So you're all welcome. Today we are going to be talking about an exciting lesson or topic, bearings as well as cardinal directions. So we are going to be working with a basic map, which we all know. It is an ordnance survey map extract, or better still, we are going to be using the map extract of Douala and its environs, from which we are going to actually bring out the bearings and the cardinal direction of a place. So let's begin first of all by looking at the main cardinal directions, which is very important. The main ones here, I've just drawn a cross here, or a crucifix for us to understand. So we have here, above here we have the north, and on its opposite we have the south, and on this other way we have the east and we have the west. So we are going to bring in the sub directions, the sub cardinal directions, and I'll tell you how to actually come out with these sub cardinal directions. They are very simple and easy to put them. So we are going to read first of all the primary before the secondary. What do I mean by primary here? I'm referring to the primary cardinal direction. In this case here, our primary is going to be the north and the south, while the secondary is going to be the east and the west. So saying that, we are reading first of all the primary before the secondary to have cardinal directions that we have in these unnamed areas. So for example, I'm going to actually do this. This is north, east. So I write here, this is north, east. You see, guys? And to come out with this and this, I won't read secondary before primary. Rather, I'm going to read primary before secondary. So it will be very right for me to say south, east. You see? Very simple. And the same principle applies here. I have southwest, and here I won't say west north. I'm going to read north west. So I think we can already see that we have already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cardinal directions, and now we are going to bring another 8 directions, and this is going to bring us to 16 in total. Like we earlier said, to bring in the 8, we are going to break this part again. We're going to split to have the mini subtypes. Let me just say so. So we can see already the mini subtypes. So we are still going to apply the same principles like we did to get the northeast, southeast, southwest, and the northwest. So talking about the same principle means therefore that we are going to read first of all the major before the minor, or better still, we can talk about the primary before the secondary. And therefore, in this case, which are the primary and which are then the secondary? The primary are going to be the 4 main cardinal directions, while the secondary are going to be the subtype, the 4 subtypes that we just came out with just a few minutes ago. So which means the north, east, south, west are primary, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest are therefore the secondary. And we read the same. Therefore, we are going to read north of northeast. This should be the position here. So I'm going to write that with the blue pen so we can easily see north of northeast. So we can see here, we can see north of east. It's poor geography. So therefore, we are going to read east of northeast to have a position here. So guys, you can tell me in the comment section already, what do you think about the other positions? So we have east of northeast. What do you think about this other position? What should it be? So I'm going to come back to it in some few minutes, and we're going to complete that together. So already this is a cardinal direction that we have seen. We need to come out together with all the 16 directions to make it complete. And from there, we are going to also see how to come out with bearings. Very simple and very easy to calculate. So if you have done yours already, you come out with the rightful answer here. We are reading the primary before the secondary. So we have here east of southeast. This way we have south of southeast. We continue with south of southwest. Here we read west of southwest. You see here we have west of northwest, and the last one is actually the north of northwest. So this gives us already 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So we have altogether 16 cardinal directions. So guys, you see how to come out with the directions. Question now is how to actually apply that on a map, right? How do we apply that on a map? It means that you are given a position on the map, 2 positions, and one being your viewpoint and the other one being the direction to where you are supposed to head to. So how do you come out with that on the map? It's pretty simple. I'm going to take you that very fast so you can easily learn it. So let's take, for example, we have the map of Douala and its environs here. We have some features on this map. We are going to basically use some of these features here to look for the direction. Okay, permit me use in this case here, this is the key will tell us here that this is an industry. So can we see the industry? The industry is found at a grid reference. Guys, you need to know how to read grid references. I think we have that in one of my videos, how to actually come out with grid references. And if you're having any difficulty to come out with grid references, you can just mention that in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make another video on grid references, on how to come out with either 4-figure grid reference or the 6-figure grid reference. So in this case, we are saying that we want to look for the direction of the church, of the industry, I beg your pardon, of the industry found at grid reference 2036. Because you see, there are so many industries around. Remember, it's Douala, and it's an industrial capital of Cameroon, and or better say, economic capital of Cameroon. A lot of industries. That's the reason why we can find so many industries on the map. So it's very important for us to know the precise industry we're talking about. In this case, we're looking at the industry found at 2036. That is to say, east in 20 and north in 36. So we are working with this industry, and we are going to do that together, starting from, let's say, do we have a market somewhere? Okay, I want to get a distant location. Okay. So let's say this is a church. The church. So this is industry. And then a church. The church is found, let's say the church is 22, 38. Actually, okay. So because there are so many churches too, we have so many churches on the map, so it's very important for us to precise which one we are working on. So what am I going to do to come out with the direction of the industry from the church? You get the point very well. The industry from the church. So it's very simple, guys. I'm just going to draw the same crucifix I've drawn here. I need to call it crucifix because it takes the form of a cross. So you see, I'm drawing it, and I'm drawing across the church because that's my viewpoint. Actually, I will not draw on the industry because I'm looking for the direction of the industry from the church. So you see, this is my viewpoint, and this is my view I'm having. This is my view I'm having here. So when we look at it very well, if you know, this is your cardinal direction, this is north, this is the east, this is the south, this is the west. So basically, I will simply say that the church, therefore, the industry is found what? Southwest of the church. You can also see, judging from what we have earlier seen here, the industry is found southwest of the church, exactly at southwest of the church. It is not at south of southwest, it is not at the west of southwest. However, some persons may actually have answers that may be close to the west of the southwest or south of southwest. It doesn't change the fact that it is actually in the southwest direction. So guys, that is how to come out with the cardinal location of an area. Got a time when bad direction actually made you lose your way? Kindly share with us your experience in the comment section of this video, and if you find the video interesting, please kindly like and subscribe for more interesting tips.